Level 4 courses isn't offered widely, but where it is, they just do laser hair removal and IPL skin rejuvenation. We also offer the advanced depilation, which is a minor cosmetic procedure, removing things like skin tags, broken capillaries, even moles, as long as they've been passed by a GP. So it's a much more diverse course. Being able to offer advanced knowledge to my previous level 2 and the progressing level 2 and 3 students is something that I really do value. Positive things about the level 4 course from the learners has really been just understanding. It kind of encompasses everything that they've been learning, everything that they're seeing out in industry that's within their catchment. It kind of brings it all to them, and it's giving them much wider employment opportunities. They may progress as a level 4 student into laser clinics, laser hair removal clinics, intense pulse light treatments. So they'll then go along and work with skincare to do with redness of the skin, pigmentation patches on skin, even fine lines and wrinkles on skin. And they can work in clinics, they can work with doctors, so there's quite a wide scope that's now open to them. Not just, yes, it is on the high street, but not just your high street salon. It grows bigger than that. So now they're able to apply to clinics, work alongside skin specialists and doctors, so they're going to be able to pick up even new skills just from their employment. But like I say, more so, it gives them more employment opportunities. I like to see students fly. I like to see them start, and they may not really know where they want to go, and then fall in love with beauty therapy, and then challenge themselves to do something that a few years ago they thought they could never do, and a few years down the line they're excelling in. Students should come to Lambeth College to study because we have got a long history of being successful in this area. So if they've been here before years ago, what's encouraging is that the courses have moved on and it now offers more. But also we've got very dedicated staff, very passionate staff that always want to develop to give the students the next opportunity. So that's why they should come and learn with us.